Hello students, so welcome to the Digital Pathshala KML. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the important exercise that is based on English. So you have to just see that you can just check the spot the error. It means that you have to just find out the error means mistakes. So there are several mistakes which we see in any paragraph, whether it is given in English exam और समटाइम्स इट कम्स इन कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स. आप देखते हैं बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स के अंदर आज जो है आपका दैट दिस एक्सरसाइज कम्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड और दोज एस्पिरेंट्स हु आर गिविंग कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स तो वो कहीं ना कहीं कन्फ्यूज हो जाते हैं आपका दैट हाउ दे हैव टू चेक दैट व्हाट इज द मिस्टेक इन अ पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस. So we have to understand all the things. So we all know that they are the different concepts which we study in English grammar. So whether it is singular or plural, noun, pronoun, adjective, so different things which we study. So on that basis that they are the different mistakes which we see. So let's start the exercise which is based on this. So you have to find out the error, or we can say the mistakes, and then you have to correct it also. So just look here. So you have to just see that this is the paragraph which is given. So what you need to do, so that there will be one error. तो हर एक लाइन में एक error है, mistake है आपका. So you have to just find out that error. So if you find that error, so you have to just write here incorrect. तो incorrect वाले आपके space में आपको क्या रखना है, जो error है उसको लिखना है, and that what will come in place of this, so you have to just put in this correct space. So let's start now. So you can just check here, a Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. So you can check here, so that we are using A. So A is an article. So they are the three articles which we use. तो यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं that this is a historical monument also and there is a proper noun. So that's why we have to put the. तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या रखना होगा, so the रखना होगा. It means that A is the mistake here and we have to put the here. Okay. Now next, in the memory of her wife, its कंस्ट्रक्शन बिगेन इन. सो यू कैन चेक हियर, सो दैट इट वाज बिल्ड बाय शाहजहां. तो ये शाहजहां ने बिल्ड करा आपका इन द मेमोरी ऑफ हर वाइफ. सो बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द शाहजहां, दैट्स वाई दैट his will come in place of her. So we have to write her in incorrect and his will be in correct space. Now next, began in 1632 and complete in 1653. So you can check here that the mistake is of tense here, because the tense is in past. तो जो चीज़ें past में चल रही हैं आपका, so on that basis we have to just see that completed in 1653. So it will not be complete, it is completed. Okay, so that things आर completed. तो यहाँ पे completed हो जाएगा आपका करेक्ट के अंदर, एंड complete यहाँ पे मिस्टेक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट, द चीफ आर्किटेक्ट वॉज उस्ताद अहमद लाहौरी. what was an Iranian architect. So you can just check here, the mistake is of relative pronoun here, that what is coming. तो यहाँ पे हम जो what को यूज़ करते हैं, we do not use it for the person. if we talk about things or the objects, तो उस पर्पस चीज़ के लिए हम what का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. बट if we are talking about a person, so we are relating के that who is an Iranian architect, so that person is उस्ताद अहमद. so हम person के लिए who का यूज़ करते हैं, that's why we have to put who here. एंड मिस्टेक विल बी पुट हियर, दैट वॉट विल बी हियर इन करेक्ट ऑप्शन में रहेगा आपका. नाउ नेक्स्ट, द ब्यूटी ऑफ द मार्बल डोम एंड minarets are known throughout the world. So marble dome, so that there is not only one thing, so that we have to just correct in this, the beauty of the marble domes. So you have to just make it plural here, and minarets are known throughout the world. Now next, all visitors are. So you can just check here that are is playing the role of a main verb here. So that's why we have to just make it impressed, not impressed. तो यहाँ पे impressed हो जाएगा आपका by the dream like beautiful on the Taj. तो by dream like beauty, because we are talking about the beauty of this, so we have to just make it noun instead of adjective. तो adjective की जगह हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे हमें ठीक है noun को रखना होगा. Now next, now this is the next paragraph which you have to correct. So long ago, before money is invented. So you can just check here, long ago, it means that they are talking about the past. So before money, so is the mistake, because is used in case of present tense. तो present tense में use होता है, that's why we have to put was, because we are putting was because it is singular. So money was invented. People used to ऑप्टेन। तो यहाँ पे आप देखते हैं दैट देयर इज अ मिस्टेक ऑफ द मॉडल हियर, सो वी हैव टू यूज यूज टू, है ना, बिकॉज दैट इट इज़ नॉट नाउ इन हैबिट। तो पहले यूज हुआ करती थी आपका मनी इन्वेंट ना होने से पहले, पीपल यूज टू ऑप्टेन गुड्स बाय बार्टरिंग। तो है ना, दैट इज स्टॉप्ड नाउ। तो यहाँ पे यूज टू का यूज होगा आपका गुड्स बाय बार्टरिंग टू गेटिंग एन एक्स। So it means that if there is any purpose, so we have to use for, okay, instead of to. So this is the mistake of the preposition here, so we have to use for. So for getting an x, for example, they have to offer. So getting an x, for example, they have to offer anything of exchange. So you have to just see here that what is the mistake in this. सो यू कैन चेक इट बिकॉज दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पास्ट। सो दे हैड टू ऑफर, तो उनको क्या करना होता था, सो दे हैड टू ऑफर एनीथिंग इन एक्सचेंज। ओके, सो बिकॉज नाउ आफ्टर दैट इफ द सेलर विल नॉट लाइक वॉट was offer, so if seller, so they are talking about the past thing, so it is past now, so we have to use past form of will, that is would. So if the seller would not like, so what was, so that we have to use offered, not offer, because what was, so that the main verb here, so what was offered, now it is coming as a past participle. Now it would be impossible to made the exchange. So this is the case of infinitive, ये infinitive का case है आपका, that's why we have to make first form of the verb, because the infinitive जो form होती है verb की आपका, it does not change its form, ठीक है, whatever the condition. So this is non finite verb, that's why we have to make the exchange. So you have to write make here. Okay, now come to the next exercise. So this is the third exercise. So there are several reasons for traffic jam. So you can look here that several is coming, it shows plural thing, so it will be reasons, not reason. So this is a mistake of plural or singular. Now come to the next line, which is a regular features of big cities. So they are talking about traffic jam, so this is a one concept or the problem. So it is singular in concept, that's why we have to use which is a regular features, not feature. So we have to use features, we have to make it singular. So feature of big cities, not only the population in the cities are increasing, so on this basis कि population is one of the concept, so they are talking about only the population, not cities, so that's why we have to write is in place of are. तो हमें यहाँ पे is को रखना होगा. Okay, now next, a number of vehicles has increased many folds. So a number of vehicles, so it is plural. Okay, so that's why we have to use have. ओके, तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या रखना होगा, हैव को रखना होगा. सो इन दिस वे दैट यू कैन चेक हियर. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द मिस्टेक्स विच वी हैव फाउंड आउट इन दिस. सो मिस्टेक्स कैन बी ऑफ सिंगुलर ऑल्सो, मिस्टेक कैन बी ऑफ एडजेक्टिव ऑल्सो, मिस्टेक कैन बी ऑफ मॉड्यूल ऑल्सो, इट कैन बी ऑफ एनी हेल्पिंग वर्ब ऑल्सो, it can be of any main verb also. So different situations are existed, तो बहुत सारे cases होते हैं आपका, तो आपको, ठीक है, you have to think about all those things. If you have concept clarity of all things, अगर आपको concept से clarity अच्छे से है आपका, so you can do these exercise and you can get out, ठीक है, full out of, ठीक, full marks means अगर आपका 5 marks का आता है तो 5 में से 5 आपको easily मिल सकते हैं. So in this way that you can improve your speaking skill also, it can help you in your writing skills also, so that it improves many things. So I hope that you have understood it now. So if you have any problem, so you can just comment also. So if you have liked this video, so please like, share and subscribe this channel. So thank you so much for watching. So goodbye everyone.